tutorials, and in this video we will discuss about one issue which we are facing, like Windows L key is not working. It is a shortcut key to lock your Windows uh, screen. So let's start. First we have to go to start, or you have to press Windows plus R. Here we have to mention this comment which I have mentioned, then click on OK. Now we have to give access to open it in administration. Then you will see this window. So here we are having multiple options. So this is the path where we have to go. So this will be the path where you have to go and you have to change some settings. So let's do that. Here we are having one option, disable work disable lock workstation. So open it, and currently here value is 1, that we have to do 0 to disable it, and just click on OK, and then you can try to do Windows and L.